Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of John, verse 15, starting in verse 9. This is the verse talking about how God loved us through his son, and he tells how much he loves us by sending his son, and also the greatest commandment that we should love one another. And I'll read the verses here in just a second, but I wanted to do another fall spread. So I was just going to use some sticker letters that say fall in love with Jesus over here, and use my watercolors to add some fall color in the background, just kind of a washed out, using oranges, rusts, and yellows in the background. And then I have some little tiny stickers that I'll add to the page. They're leaves. I also have some fall washies that I pulled. They're not necessarily fall, but they're fall colors anyway. And then these sticker letters that I had in my stash, they're Sticko. I think they're from Walmart. And they have a glitter on them, so I thought those were fun. And then I had this Ms. Sparkle & Co. pad from last year, and I think I'll use the leaf paper here, possibly. So I'll go ahead and read the passage. It's, as I said, John 15, starting in verse 9, where it says, "As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. Now remain in my love. If you keep my commands, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commands and remain in his love. I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be complete. My command is this: love each other as I have loved you. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends." And it goes on from there. But I just think this is a beautiful passage talking about God's love for us and the love we should have for him and for others. And I think that's just a play on words, fall in love with Jesus, and it's the fall season. So yeah, I just think this will make a beautiful page. And you know how I like to kind of art out the passage in my thinking. So I hope this gives you some inspiration, and let's go ahead and get started on this entry. So here's the final entry. I decided that I did not want to use the paper because it was already really busy with the leaves that I painted on. These are just some simple leaves. The shapes are kind of wonky, but it gives the effect. But I really love how this turned out. It was pretty easy, and these letters worked perfectly in here. They're the perfect size. And yeah, I just love the sparkliness to the whole thing. So hopefully this will give you some inspiration for a fall journal entry. And please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.